Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get Anthropic AI courses for free. Like it's really required and mandatory for yourself. So all what you need to do is copy paste this link, which is free courses with certification on it. So it's gonna be finding Anthropic Academy, there is a courses, and here is gonna be like Anthropic courses, Cloud Code in action, Cloud, AI fluency, building with the Cloud API, introduction to model context protocol, AI fluency, everything that you want to go through it is gonna be you need to go through it. There is certification, there is everything you need to go through it. It is free. Enjoy. I hope you like it. I hope you like the video. I hope you like it is like something that can give you a boost on your area for the AI industry, for this trending and not casual trend. It's gonna be the future on. Subscribe to the channel and subscribe once again. I hope you like it. Share the video and peace.